Here's how to convert files to PDF on iPhone and Android. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can exactly convert files to PDF on your iPhone device. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just simply go to your web browser. I'm using Safari for this video. You could use any other web browser, but yeah, just go to Safari and you type in I love PDF, and here as you can see, just go ahead and press on the website. And right over here, it will show you some of these options, but you just gotta go ahead and find your JPG or PDF type, whatever you wanna convert PDF into. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose JPEG. Yeah, JPEG for PDF. You could use any other as well, but yeah, for this example, I'm gonna go for JPEG to PDF and then select JPEG images, and then just select the file, or I'm just gonna use image. You could use any other files as well. Photo library, and then just go ahead and choose a picture. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this picture right over here and press add. Here as you can see, I'm just gonna press convert to PDF and it's just gonna upload. And here as you can see, now you just gotta go ahead and press download PDF. And here we are. Once the PDF is loaded in, just go ahead and press on the share icon in the middle and swipe down until you see the option of save to files. Just go ahead and press save to files, and then just save it somewhere. I'm just gonna go ahead and save it in downloads, save. And yeah, so if I go back to my files and find downloads, let's see, on my iPhone, here we are, and it must be here. Yeah, here we go. And yeah, this is exactly it on how you can convert files to PDF on iPhone and Android. So I hope this video actually helps you. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.